Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday afternoon, January 10th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and Triple Qs. And we said earlier today that the market in the short term was short, obviously, from J's high through the afternoon on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and this morning gapping low on a weekly low. We push low in B and C. We get close to that other daily low and where that other gap is from the 21st, and that's it. Never see it again. We trade sideways, and then basically when H took out G's high, that's where change started taking place. Shorts were still pretty comfortable until that point, but once H started grinding against this pretty big sell tail, you could see the sellers getting more and more nervous. And then finally we took out the opening. There was some indecision, even though we took out the day's high in J and K. We went back and forth through the opening, J, K, L, and M, until M ripped the cover off the ball to fill the gap. And we go out with a price probe. All of us go out with a price probe. So triple Qs, NQ, and SPY fill this gap. And not only that, look at this. Triple Q's got their wide pop from Friday. Russell does not fill their gap. They did price probe, but they do not fill their gap. Triple Q's go out with a price probe. Afternoon pullback low in G. They only ended 7 wide. Russell goes out with a price probe. They end 9 wide and an afternoon pullback in L. We go out with a price probe, 7 wide only, and an afternoon pullback in G. So that talk about price vacuums is another one to the downside now. I did a lot of trading. I'm not going to go over all of them. I had a good day, though. Nothing spectacular, but had a decent day. Had a couple of losers on some shorts late. Nothing big as I tried to see if this market was going to back off again. Should have been looking. I was looking for longs. Just wasn't comfortable at the higher we went. But it was a good day. I shorted. I went back and forth in A, B, C, and D. I was short in A against the gap. I made money on those. Then I went long in A the first time we filled single prints from December 22nd. Then I shorted B with the one-time framing down. I did that about 3 times. Long C, when we got down to, I thought we were going to get close to that gap, that low, the daily low in the gap. Took a small one there. Was going to take a bigger one if they had filled that because I thought they had gotten stretched way too early. Then took a short in D as we pushed up and that backed off. So I did that a lot, basically back and forth. And then late in the day I didn't do much. I took a couple of small shorts in H and I. I took a long in J at one point to pop the top above the day's high, which worked out. So I did a lot of trading, some big, some small. Turned out to be a pretty good day overall. I was not expecting initially when we took out G's high to take back this whole day. Now I knew the market was short and I knew the danger. The higher we went, the more and more nervous shorts were going to get. We certainly knew that. So I was playing very small on some of these shorts. And then finally, like I said, it took a little time above the opening and back and forth to today's high. But then finally, boom, M period rips, closes the gap, and we price probe. As far as, and now tomorrow we have Powell speaking at 10 a.m. We have CPI Wednesday, PPI Thursday. I will not be here at all on Friday. There might be a video Friday morning, but I will not be here, and then there won't be a video till Tuesday morning. The market is closed on Monday for Martin Luther King. As far as destinations, and by the way, after that entire move that we had today, SPY closed at 466.09 on Friday. We're only down 60 cents. We were down like $9 at one point today. We rallied 456.60. We rallied $9 off the lows. Amazing. Upside destination, only one today, 465.74. Today's high, 466.93, 12 wide from the 7th, 467.98. Afternoon rally high from the 7th and 469.20. Daily high. For the downside, we have the price probe, K's high at 463.87. We have the afternoon pullback low, G's low of 457.95, and today's low of 456.60. Now, let's get to the chart. I'm just going to show you the weekly and daily. As powerful as that rally was, To me, the weekly is now down. Still down, right? The monthly is balanced. Here's the monthly. Still balanced. The weekly is down. And the daily is down. Even though this is a phenomenal finish and a nice candle, until we take out today's high. If we do that tomorrow, we're back in balance. But for now, to me, right now, it's still down. One time framing down 4 days. 50-day moving average is right up above us at 466.48. So although an amazing rally, and it was, that rally is purely short covering because the market got too short from Wednesday afternoon and down, and momentum buying. Now we'll see if it could follow through and carry forward and at least come into balance on the daily. 116 million, best volume of the day, of the year so far. We've had excellent ranges and excellent volume to start the new year. Hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.